Welcome back. I wanted to go into a little bit of detail about what is SEO and why is it so important. SEO is search engine optimization. It's a way to optimize your website and or your blog so it appears in a high position in organic searches. And the organic searches are the search results other than the ads on search engines. There are definitely rules created by the search engines that need to be followed by website owners. So your website will rank in the top of their search engine. This is what SEO or search engine optimization is all about. Following these rules will help any website owner create a website that is user-friendly, faster, and easier to navigate. Today, because there are millions of websites online, SEO is more important than ever. When a user searches for a topic, there may be a million websites on that same topic. That means your website is one of those millions. What if your website is in the 999th position? Will anyone ever find you? SEO is most important if you desire clients and customers from your online presence. You will gain customers and clients either locally, nationally, or internationally when an optimized website that shows up preferably in the top 30 of the search engine results. It is always best to be among the top 10, but the top 30 is workable. Following the correct SEO guidelines and being found at the top of the search engines improves user trust. Not only that, but a user is more than likely to promote your website on social sites such as Facebook, Google, Twitter, and more. Search engine also helps you develop a website that is user-friendly and easy to navigate and follows the latest and greatest web design best practices. So what are you waiting for? Go on to the next lesson so you can be on your way to optimizing your website ASAP.